This is an unboxing of Marvel Studios Deadpool and Wolverine Marvel Legends series Wolverine. This looks like battle damage Wolverine than the other one with the Logan head and the Wolverine mask head. This looks like battle damage from that one. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Here's the back. You can pause it if you want to read it. The top one is in English and the rest is on other languages. I already did unboxing for all these figures. Just look for them on Michael Stark's YouTube channel. And let's unbox it. Here's the figure. Here's battle damage. He comes with 2 pairs of extra hands without his claws coming out. He comes with an extra head with his mouth closed. This one, the mouth is open with his teeth showing. That's the unboxing of Wolverine battle damage, I'd call it, from Marvel Legends series Deadpool and Wolverine. Thank you for watching the video.